Next, we'll look at how you can use a simple divider to help you create dovetails for drawers and interlocking pieces. Brad with Cummins Woodworking will describe the exact technique he uses.
Got my 1/4 inch from the edge here, my 1/4 inch. So now I'm going to come in and take this, go walk. And then that's going to show me the size of my pen. So I like that. That's going to be a good size. So I'm going to come in, put my dividers in the hole, press, press some of those 2 holes, and mark them with a pencil. There. I'm going to come back, not moving anything. My other 1/4 inch hole there. Press, press. Mark that hole, mark that hole. Now we'll go about laying it out using the dovetail jig. Okay, so now we flip the dovetail, coming back the other way, create the tails. And there they are. So now we have our dovetails. These are the pins and will be removed from this particular piece of wood. These parts are removed, and these parts are the tails that are kept. Hence supposedly these look like dovetails. That's why they're called dovetail joints. And then up here, then simply take your dovetail saw, you would do that repeatedly for the rest of it, and then you would make your dovetail joint. Would then go here. And these dividers work perfect for the job.
By using this technique, he was able to create the dovetail drawers you can see here on a finished piece.
And here, see how the dovetails look and they're finished. Here are the tails that I was showing you how to draw out using the dividers. These are the pins. And this is how you fasten the side to the front of the drawer. And there they are.